Hello and welcome. Today we are making chocolate chip cookies. These come together in under 30 minutes and they taste absolutely amazing. To make this recipe, you'll start by heating up half a cup of unsalted butter. Just cook that on medium-low heat until the milk solids begin to brown. This step is important in giving your cookies a nice flavor and aroma. So once the milk solids begin to brown like so, take it off the heat and you're going to pour this onto a bowl where you'll be making your cookies and let the butter cool fully for maybe 5 to 10 minutes. And now you'll add half a cup of granulated sugar and half a cup of brown sugar. Mixing the sugars is also important for the flavors to form nicely. Now mix this with a spatula until they are all nicely incorporated. Then add an egg. Whisk the egg in until everything is nicely combined. Make sure to break the egg down nicely. And when it's ready and creamy like so, you're ready to add in your next set of ingredients. Add in the vanilla extract and then baking soda and salt. I have all the measurements in the description box. Whisk this in as well before we add in the flour and the chocolate chips, just so the baking soda doesn't hold onto the chocolate chips. Okay, so now add 1 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour. It must be sifted. And then add in 3/4 cups of chocolate chips. I'm using the Hershey dark chocolate medium-sized ones, but large chocolate chips would be fine too. Now using a spatula, mix everything until the flour is absorbed. You do not want to overmix your cookies because you might interfere with the texture of the cookies. It's ready. Now you're going to scoop this onto a lined baking tray. I'm scooping medium-sized cookies here. You could do jumbo, large cookies or smaller cookies, it's fine. Just scoop them, space them nicely because they're going to spread out as they cook. So I'm doing 2 batches of 6. This made 12 cookies total. Yeah, so top them with some chocolate, more chocolate chips because you want them showing on the top. Otherwise, they might all sink in the middle of the cookie. So I just top them with a few chocolate chips here and bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 12 to 13 minutes, but do not let them over brown. See, our cookies are ready here. Let them cool for about 5 minutes before transferring them onto a rack for further cooling. And then let them cool here for another 20 to 30 minutes and you are ready to dig in. See, the cookies look very beautiful and I assure you they taste amazing, especially since we browned the butter. And you can store these. They stay really nicely in an airtight container for a long time, maybe even more than a week. But of course, these ones did not last a week. Thank you so much for stopping by and I hope to see you in another video. Bye-bye.